Hello everyone. So we have finished first 6 questions of exercise 3.2 in our previous videos, and we are continuing with the chapter of pair of linear equations in two variables, and we have to move to question number 7. It says, draw the graphs of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis. And we have to shade the triangular region. We have two equations here. We have x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and we have 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So these two equations, let's find out the coordinates. So here I can say that x plus 1 is equal to y, and here I can say 2y is equal to 12 minus 3x and y is equal to 12 minus 3x by 2. Or I can take 3 common, so 3, 4 minus x by 2. Okay, let's find out. So this is equal to y is equal to x plus 1. Now here, if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2. And here, if x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 4. So we have found out 3 coordinates. Now this equation, if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 4 minus 0, so this will be 4, and 2 it will be cancelled, so 6. And if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 will get cancelled, so 3. And if x is equal to 4, then this will become 0 and y will be equal to 0. Now let's put these values in the table. This is x and y here, and here also we have x and y. Here I took the values for x as 0, 1 and 3. So the corresponding values of y we got as 1, 2 and 4. This side we had x is equal to 0 and 2, 4, and the corresponding y values we got as 6, 3 and 0. So now let's put these values on the graph paper. This is the graph paper. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is the origin. Now we have to write down the scale. So scale I can take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit for both axes. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit for both axes, right? Now let's mark the coordinate axis. So we have here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This side we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. This side too we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Positive y-axis we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. The coordinates for the first line now. So we have 0 and 1. So this is my first point. Then 1 and 2. So this is second point. Then we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. This is the third point. Let's join these points now. So this is one line. Let's mark the points for the second line now. So the first coordinate for the second line is 0 and 6. So this is my 1 point. Then we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3. This is my second point, and we have 4 and 0. So this is my third point. So we have marked all the 3 points. Let's join now. So this is the second line. This line is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. And this line is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. Coordinates for the vertices of the triangle formed. So the vertices are, this is minus 1 and 0. This is 4 and 0. This vertex is 2 and 3. So these are the vertices of the triangle formed. Let's shade the triangular region. So from the graph we have seen that the coordinates of the triangle. So the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed are, one vertex is minus 1 and 0, second is 4 and 0, and the point of intersection of those two lines was 2 and 3. So that is the third vertex. So that's the answer, and we have already shaded the portion. And we will start the next exercise 3.3 in our next video. Stay tuned and see you all.